So the first step for our bacon balsamic dressing is we're going to need to cook up some bacon and separate the cooked bacon from the fat. So I've got about 2 pounds of bacon in here that I've cut into strips. Got a hot pan. Go ahead and add it in there. And when you work with bacon, you're not going to need to add any oil or fat to the pan because it's going to render out its own fat. So at this point, the bacon is crispy. Pretty much all the fat is rendered out. So we're going to go ahead and strain it out to separate the bacon from the fat. And like I said, we're going to save the bacon to use in any dish we like, but we're going to use this reserved fat to finish off our bacon dressing. So we're sauteing up our garlic and shallots in the bacon fat. I'm going to go ahead and add a cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to add about 3/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. We're going to go ahead and just heat that up to dissolve the sugar. And then we're going to take it to the blender to finish off our dressing. Okay, now that we've got our balsamic vinegar, sugar, shallots, and garlic mixture in the blender, we're going to go ahead and add about 3/4 cup of orange juice. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. I'm going to go ahead and put the top on. I'm going to go ahead and pulse it real quick. So you're going to want to keep it going. To do this, we're going to add the bacon fat, the rendered bacon fat that we set aside. We're going to add it in a steady stream. And then we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of olive oil. Again, in a steady stream so that we get some emulsification. Once we've got it emulsified and everything added and combined, this is great served warm with, say, a spinach salad or roasted Brussels sprouts, which is how we use it here at the club. You can chill it, keep it in the refrigerator, and just pull it out and warm it as needed. But it's just a great cold weather dressing for any kind of salad that you would like.